Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Banyatai halor ki katto ka ne kimat ki bakongsan, kimat ki bakta ya ke jela hi borok away. Kam tam hak bede bat ka an, banyatai ki jai benrio ke jela. Hak lai potrik mentau benai risau arza ka kendai. Kaladon ke jing kendo lang, jang ki seng san partai ka ne ke jela Meghalaya. Kentop naduk ki badan hak liang sensyar, bat ki badan hak liang persya. Hak ni ke jelang ke bala pelong ha Secretariat Shillong, lawan yesim benta Chatham de ki noilam, jang barok ki seng san partai ke jela. Kentop ru ye ki nomi khmat na ki seng baper. Kawai hi na kimat bakam kongsan balai keren hak ni ke jelang, kadai halor ka Citizenship Amendment Bill, ke belong kawai na ki an jong ka ni kari India. Kabaka sorkar preng kadon ye ke jing temu, ban wanra ye ke jing penkala, bat ban pelong an pura ye ka. Ban ailat ban long no kinong sosnang bapura ya ki katu kat ni ki menderi ki baret pa hakan yam jongki sakawai pat kamat ke balai keren hakani ke jelang kadai ru alor ka jing pen kre ke sorkar jela Meghalaya ban pha ik jing ajing mon halor ka jing pen kalai ke six schedule jong ka riti sensyar kari u menteri rangba ka jela u konrat ke sangma ha ka jing keren bat kilat patai kobor hadin ke jelang ulai tho ba ka jing khot ye ke ni ke jelang jong ki seng san partai ban yakren halor ka CAB kadai hadian baulai kendo yau menteri katnat ki kampo yeng jongkari wa Amit Shah ha New Delhi ban pen sngau ya ke ai ke jing sngau bat ke jing ajing mod bakidon ban ai ha ke ni ke jelang shua ba ka sarkar kan sapha ke kaipon syaka Ministry of Home Affairs jong ka sarkar preng nakalyang o menteri rangba ka jela ulai tho ba ka ha ke ni ke jelang ka balalong ha ke ni ke sngi la ya thersani ru alor ka kenten unrepresented tribe bala penrong ya kajing terwa banwan ra ya kajing penbai thamai haki kernet jang ka sex schedule.
And the main agenda today was to discuss and get opinions from the different political parties regarding the Citizen Amendment Bill. We also wanted their opinion regarding the Residency and Safety Act, the Amendment Act, and we also thought that we will discuss also about the sixth schedule. So these three agendas were brought into the meeting. And all the different political parties gave their opinions, and we've requested them to give it in writing. And so I'm thankful to all the political parties for doing that. And we also want to ensure that these kind of consultations take place at different levels. So we'll be trying our best to invite other, groups also, organizations also, and which we've been doing in the past for certain subjects. But as far as possible, we'll try to have a consultancy in all these issues that I've just mentioned to you. It's been very clear from day one. We have been not supporting the CAB amendment to the Citizen Amendment Bill, and this has been a stand from the party at the earliest, from the party also and different parties also, and also from the government. But having said that, today we are in a position where the MHA and the Home Minister, in my last meeting I had with him, he has reached out to the state government. He has reached out to the political parties and organizations, and he has been in a discussion mode and consultancy mode as to understand what are the issues that are there in the CAB that are there of our concern. So it is with this particular objective in mind that he had in fact urged me to call all party meeting and get the opinions of different political parties on what are the issues and concerns in the CAB that the different political parties may be opposed to. So this exercise has been done exactly to look into those details and those aspects. In fact, they have gone through the Citizen Amendment Bill. Concerns came up regarding issues of cutoff. Is this an exercise that's going to be just open-ended exercise, or there's going to be some kind of a time frame? Is it going to be accepting anybody at any time? Concerns about what about the laws that we make in the state? Are they going to be applicable? What is going to happen with the six scheduled areas? What is going to be the fate of the Residency Act once we amend it? Is it going to be overridden by the CAB if the government does bring this amendment? Discussion about how the state governments will play a role, whether the state governments will be bypassed in the verification processes, or will they be included? And the fact that what are the other mechanisms maybe Government of India will put in to ensure that the people of the Northeast and especially the people of the state of Meghalaya will be protected in this particular situation. So all these concerns were brought out, and as I said, it's a consultative process, and the government has, MHA has, as I said in the last meeting I had urged us to call this consultative meeting of all the political parties, and it's in line with that, and we've taken their opinions and we'll be forwarding those opinions to government officials.